Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's show. Today it's all about the Love and Meals meal kit. A meal kit is whereby you are presented with a box. You actually buy a box with the ingredients of a certain meal that you have seen or you've liked. And in the box, you have the ingredients that you'll be able to make the exact same dish without wondering where do I get what ingredients from what. In this video, I'll show you how to what the meal kit in the Love and Meals Limited is all about. I'll also show you briefly how to cook, to go about the cooking process, and the fact that this is a meal kit for two. You'll see that whatever comes out of this will actually serve 2 plates. So let's get started and you see how simple it is. So there you have it, the layout of all the ingredients that you need to make a delicious coconut chicken curry with vegetable rice. I have the vegetables on one side, the curry powder, the coconut, the rice, just enough for 2, and the chicken. So let me show you how to put all these things together to make that delicious meal. Smells delicious. I've used all the ingredients that came in the box, the meal kit. And now serve. And to garnish, some sprig of coriander. Dania. Voila. Meal is ready from the Love and Meals meal kit. All the ingredients consumed, no wastage. If you follow the instruction, remember the box comes with the recipe guide, the written recipe, and also some pictures of how to go about it. I'll also be posting some recipes on video so that you can actually refer to the video as you make it. And if you follow the instruction, this is exactly how your meal will turn out. I hope it will be of help. I'm looking forward to hear from you. Let me know in the comment section what recipes you'd want to come in a meal kit. Remember to go to loveandmeals.co.ke to order yours today and get all the information about the pricing and delivery timelines. Until next time, goodbye.